Have you ever thought about combining cheesecake and pecan pie? Neither have I until I asked my husband what he wanted for his birthday cake. And just recently we found out he can't really have cake, so he was like, "Can you do a pecan cheesecake, like pecan pie cheesecake?" And I was like, "Sure, why not?" And sure as heck, there is a recipe online, which I am putting down below for y'all. This was so easy to make, and yes, Dixie really wanted some of that cheesecake batter. I mean, look at her face. So easy to do. The bake time was the exact same time. So all you basically do is create the cheesecake, and then you do that layer, and then you make the pecan pie, and then layer that on top of the cheesecake, bake it for, I want to say I did it for 50 minutes to an hour, and it's all done at the exact same time. And when I tell you that this is now going to be a staple in our home, I ain't lying. It is absolutely delicious. I also, as you can see, I added cinnamon, and I am also adding heath bits. So I kind of altered the recipe just a little bit, just because I figured it would taste really, really good. And I was right. Like I said, this was an extremely easy recipe, and y'all have got to try it. You can add whatever the heck else you want. You can put chocolate chips in there. That would probably taste really good. Oh my gosh, like a turtle pie essentially, but cheesecake. Y'all. And then it's just like, oh, wha-bam.